Past couple of weeks been kind of hectic around here. I was sick the week before last. Then it snowed like 3 different times. I've been shoveling machines, so if you wondered where I've been. Today, we're going to do some fried chicken tenders, something quick. I'll do the sides later. I was just wanting to touch base and let everybody know I was still around. So chicken flour, it's a little different than how we did our country fried steaks. I've got probably 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, and for seasonings, oregano, black pepper, paprika, garlic, and salt. This can be as simple or as complicated as you want. Salt and pepper works fine. I like to fry my chicken in vegetable shortening. I've got probably a cup heating up right now, but you can use oil, whatever you have, it'll work just fine. We'll get all this incorporated together. And instead of egg, we'll be dipping our chicken in buttermilk. There we go. I think we made a big enough mess there. We've got our slimy store-bought chicken washed off. We'll dunk those in the buttermilk. It coats real good like an egg. And we'll coat them in flour. Dunk them again. Get us one more good coat on them. All right, there's what we should be working with. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these made and get ready to get over here and I'll fry. All right, we've got our oil ready. It's smoking hot. Chicken tenders look amazing. Be some big old chicken tenders for sure. I'll bring you guys back when I go to flip those. They're looking about like they're ready to flip. Oh yeah. You might have to add us just a little bit more shortening. Oh, we had a blowout. We'll put him back over there. We'll just set it on the chicken, then whoever grabs it will think they broke it. I believe we should be about ready to get our first run out. Yeah. So I saved us a little piece of our breading that fell off one of them there. Now that looks mega crunchy. It was. I don't know how many rounds we'll make on our oil before our flour gets too brown in it, but we'll check on that too. All right. Can we fry some chicken? Hell yeah, we can. You may wonder why I have so much. I have a daughter that has made an Olympic sport out of eating chicken. So let's try some piece out. It's crunchy. Got smoke coming off it like usual. Got all the pieces up right. I guess I grabbed one of those. But that is juicy, crunchy. Now, could Gary take out a Southern lady at frying chicken? Probably not. But get up early, lady. But that, Miss Leah, that's how I fry chicken. That's good, guys. Chicken flour don't have to be complicated. It can just be salt and pepper. It's all good. People will holler their shit's better than somebody else's. It might be. They probably add 30 spices to theirs or something, but most of us raise kids, we ain't got that kind of time, right? But the buttermilk, I like it instead of the egg. Just adds a little bit more flavor. You can use an egg if you want. You can use anything. If your chicken's just damp and you roll it in the flour, it'll stick. Will it make a crust that good? I don't know. But it's worth a shot. I like cornstarch in my flour too. It seems to be a little crispier. Vegetable shortening don't seem to have the flavor of vegetable oil. You just got the flour flavor in the chicken, you know. I'd venture to say lard's probably pretty good to fry it into, but probably super mega unhealthy. It was good catching up with you guys.